Hey guys, I'm here again to try to finish this window well. So far I was able to dig this side all the way down and anchored everything on the wall. You can see it over there, anchored everything into the foundation wall. I'm still working on this side. I already dug it. I just have a little more to go, and then I have to anchor the side of the wall there into the foundation as well. Then I'll put all those dirt back, and I'm using these screws right here and the washers to make sure that the window well is anchored correctly onto the wall. So far it looks good, and what I'm understanding here is like when the homeowner did this, I don't think they they put that slope there. You can see that slope that I put on there. Everything was just flat, and I'll give you an example on this side. If you look at this one, everything is just flat. They just put rocks like that, so there's not like a slope for the drain or for the water to drain. So that's what caused flooding into the basement here. So as I fix this, I'm trying to make sure that everything is sloping like this, so the issue don't happen again. Another thing that I did, I sealed everything using this AP1 construction sealant. They use adhesive. They mostly use it on roofing. When they install like soil on the roof, they seal all the holes that they make up on the roof. With it, it says here roofing for solar, HVAC. You can also use it for siding, landscaping, plumbing, and more. So I like this thing. It really holds. As you can see, I did put it here, and it's like it's perfect right here. So I'll just put one screw right here to make sure that that don't come out. And I also put it along that wall right there. If you see along those gaps right there, everything is all the way up. And then on this side as well, all the way from the ground here, coming all the way up. So I sealed that because that wasn't sealed. They used spray foam, which do not work at all. And this is a very deep window well, as you can see. So it's almost 5 feet deep. And this is all the dirt that I've dug out. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna start by anchoring, putting a screw. I already started putting screws, as you can see here, all the way down to make sure that these don't come out. Okay, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do this, and then dig it all the way down to make sure there's enough screws down there, and then add more if necessary. So now I'm gonna start with anchoring everything there. Then I will seal all the gaps along the wall and the foundation. So I just have to go in here. I'm gonna have to remove this, the one I put here yesterday, and redo it. I'm probably gonna use my drill. I'll put a washer. Yeah, so I have to put a washer like that so it doesn't go through. So I put one right here. And I'll put another one on this one. You can see that this thing is like actually anchoring. It's probably I'm gonna see they use a different kind here. I'm gonna try to just reinforce it so it can go. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna do another screw maybe here, maybe over here, just to make sure that everything goes in nicely. I'm gonna bowl through this metal. All right. All right, so when you're making a hole, you always have to measure. Like, so I measured this, so I have a perfect size. And I know that's gonna get to a certain point there. All right. I'm gonna screw this one also here. I'm gonna put another one here. Just need to make a hole. Perfect. Use a 3/4 inch mason bit to go through this. Okay. And then you buy a 1/4, quarter and 3/4. These screws are here. And that should work. All right, so I'm gonna jump in here. I'm gonna seal it. All right, so got seal here, really good. Yeah, so now it looks really good. So I'm gonna also make sure over here it's all sealed up. Perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna try to put the bolt back. Get close, just a little more. Perfect. Put a washer. I think that's good. All right, so now I'm just gonna put this dirt back in here and then put all the rocks back, and I will be pretty much done. Yeah, so you have to fill all that up. All right, this is done. All right, let me move back so you can see. So everything is anchored. The rock is put back. Over here is sealed, and that was a bigger issue. Now everything looks nice. You can do this yourself, or you can hire somebody, but if you hire somebody, you know you're gonna pay. Disclaimer, it's not easy. Digging the ground is not easy. And especially moving these rocks, not easy at all. So if you get some cash laying around, then just pay somebody to do it. This one is not an easy task. Please check my other videos. Leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what your project you're working on right now. And please subscribe and support my channel. Now see you in the next project.